Hello guys, welcome back again. So now we're on to our robotics module 2 assessment 1. This is your speaker, Brent Paul Macasilhig, and now let's go to the problem. So the problem is fade an LED. By using a PWM pin on the Arduino, you will be able to decrease the intensity of brightness of an LED. Okay, so the materials stated are Arduino Uno, USB A to B cable, breadboard, LED 5 mm, 220 ohms resistor, and jumper wires. So now let's hop into the Tinkercad. So let's start with putting the Arduino. I guess there we go. Breadboard, uh, the LED, the resistor. Change it always to 20 if required. Okay. Then now let's start. So as you can remember in the previous module, we have already tackled about the use of resistor and stuff. Okay. So now let's put the table terminal 2 to the cathode and then start by putting the ground in the negative. So here we can have it here and then the negative we connect it to the ground. Oh wait, my bad. There we have it. I guess that's good. We convert it to black as always. And then the for the anode part, we'll use the positive, and then the positive side, we'll put it here in the number 8. Okay. I guess we shall change the color to red. Next is red. Afterwards, we're gonna go on to coding. Hmm. Let's cancel it off first. And LED, which is described here, intensity. LED equals LED equals 8. Okay. And then uh, int. Oh wait. Don't forget the semicolon always. Brightness equals 0 semicolon. Avoid setup. Node LED output, then void loop, then for brightness equals to 0 semicolon, brightness equals to no less than equals to 225 semicolon, brightness. Oh wait, where did I type? Okay, brightness plus equals 5 close parenthesis, open analog, right? Wait, let me hit this here first. Analog, right? Oh, my bad. This should be a brace. Analog, right? LED brightness close semicolon, delay. We shall put here I think then that should do it. Then here, closing brace. Then, oh, wait. Four. Oh, there's no space. Why do I keep equals 225 colon brightness is greater than equal to 0 semicolon brightness is negative equals 5 close parenthesis brace analog right mm, LED comma brightness close parenthesis semicolon delay should do for 10. Okay, now we have that. Oh, there we go. I guess this should do it. I hope there goes nothing wrong. Hmm, okay. I guess I forgot the semicolon part. Let's go. There we go. Is there a problem? Um, wait. Why is there no light? Hmm. Let me. Okay. This is the problem. I should put here 8. There we go. Okay, if we change the delay to something like I guess 20 and then here 20, then we can observe the difference in the delay of the lighting of the LED. So this should do it. This is the intensity. So that's all for this Module 2 Assessment 1 Robotics. So thank you for listening and see you next time.